Hi, today I'm reviewing Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the volume section. Tap here and on ringtone volume panel you just should slide this blue dot to the left side with your finger, and by this way we can mute ringtone volume on our Samsung Galaxy device. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that volume keys for media switcher is turned off, and now just let's unmute it, and by press to the down volume button we also can mute the ringtone volume. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.